style, you know. If you're not getting.
See the people, it's a time just going in a pot. Come on. It's a curry chicken, curry goat. Just on fridge.
Yeah. I saw when you come down, I come put the camera then. Let's get after that. I don't know come down, change them.
Yeah.
Then I pitch.
Yeah, we see them. We don't know them season.
Yeah. Well seen. Alright, I'll piece of pork for me boy, let's see.
Yeah.
When you smell like you see it, it's a well cooked pork.
Cover him down now. Yeah. And the fire didn't want heat, didn't want to go.
And the pot thick.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know this about you now.
Oh, it's a pork alone in the fridge. A little bit of chicken. Make Barbie fry and fry.
The people see the big pot them up on the fire. Yeah. Big pot with the curry goat. Next fire is right there. The next fire right there, so. Not ready to use it, but I don't know the big fire, the big pot them up on fire. We have some chicken right here, so too. We are go fry and Barbie fry. So I'll just stay tuned for everything. I'll go on a pure cooking. I'll take place in a day. So let's see what goes on. Yeah, curry goat look good. Well seasoned up for about 3 weeks now. Or more.
1 month.
Well marinated. Oh God. Leave done up. So as you see that pure food I cook right now, we have the curry goat up on the fire and the chicken will go on next. I think it's about the curry goat will go and simmer down well nice and proper. You just see that. So you can see everything else we have prepared and you guys will see that too. So stay tuned. So people, some of them I get the seasoning and some water. I'm going to dip the chicken in the flour first, in the water first, and then in the flour, and then fry. So this is some of them all-purpose and jerk seasoning, and some blend up seasoning, baking powder, some blend up natural seasoning. So this have. Let's see if I can pull it through, show you guys how I go on. So this seems to have some jerk seasoning, some onions, scallion, pepper, all of that. You know, blend up and thing. Then I'm gonna put maybe on the fish. Why me I just say fish? The chicken. So I'm gonna dip in this, dip in that, and then pan the fire in the oil. See the fire where this get set up, you know. So we wait till everything fry up, then we show you guys what's up.
Style, no? Eso no hace aquí.
Alright people, so update for now the mop now going on.
Progress, you know?
Yeah. It's going nice so far. There. A nice curry goat. Real Jamaican style.
Real ramen.
Yeah. Fake ramen. Real Billy.
Last night when I boil the thing there, the head and it sitting, my house ring.
You gotta know when they cook, you know.
Yeah.
You can look on the meat and see how somebody look red, see me. You look good so far, people. Nah, lie. Good so far. Yeah. Adding some water, you know. Yeah, have a little water. Yeah.
As it use the pot itself and
right. To dry down, add again, dry down, add again. Can't just throw one water in it.
No, boil it.
Yeah, boil it. Yeah, we have a little piece. Yeah, but one little piece.
What do you mean here? Enough time can cook it, man.
So guys, when I saw I go on the curry goat up on the fire, I go and simmer down the chicken and my fry. Pure niceness.
Yeah. Nice chicken.
Yeah, nice,
you know,
nice.
I blood this come out, you know.
It black. So when people chicken them come out of the pot now. Well, nice.
Well, nice.
Yeah.
KFC style.
KFC style chicken, you know? Well, nice and proper. Food for days. Chicken for days. So guys, I don't know what time to get the seasoning.
Season my pot, you know?
Yeah, the curry pot. Everything I cut up. So I'm gonna add the seasoning in the pot over there, so. Curry pot I get well seasoned with some onion and some scallion, some carrot and Irish are going soon, but them are going right now. Some green seasoning. See it there. So I go on there. Yeah. It's a vibe. Sweet pepper, hot pepper.
All kind of pepper.
Yeah, Irish, carrot, onion, scallion, thyme, pimento. Oh, the curry coat I got wicked. So just a bubble and a simmer down there. From that people. Yeah. See the people, it's a time just go in the pot. Yeah man. That's alright. So y'all see that and see how everything has come on well so far, you know. The curry basically finished and chicken them soon done fry. So the next pot of the fish pot. So yeah, I catch a fire for the fish on so. You guys hear so? Alright, so you see how gone people. Fish pot are going next. And then we are fry some fish. You do escovitch? I just fry them. Escovitch. Mad. Wicked. Go. Add some natural seasoning. Curry goat, some blend up seasoning, you know.
Bobby. Then
Chicken with these. And barbecue fry this.
that we not do it yet.
Oh no, I said this is with the barbecue fry.
Yeah.
And this is the fried chicken I cover. Looking good. Looking good. We have a fish over here, so fry. Which one? Oh, you want to see that one fried down already?
Hello.
Fish in a pot of fry. So you know the vibe going up, people. Food and more food. Fish fry, chicken fry. I don't know say how a soup will go on now and rice and peas. You know it's rice and peas that will go on next, you know, people. I'm trying to focus this. You know rice and peas are going next, so y'all just stay tuned and just watch what go on. There will be your food. You see me? Look at that. Look on that. The food. Chicken.
So when they don't know in the pan, then they will get a good shot off of them.
Yeah. See the people, they fish them ready you know.
Escovite style.
Escovite, you know. Pure Jamaican authentic food I do today. Yeah. It's well nice you know. Go on. There's some parrot fish them. All of them?
Have some butterfish in it too.
Butterfish and parrot fish and snapper. So let's go with sauce. Well pepper.
Well pepper.
Yeah. So everything I look good so far. I thought the soup part or so. But I'm not going there yet.
We eat them in there, go and boil up.
The goat head. Alright.
Ah, now listen now, you know.